Assalamualaikum and good morning, Doctor. Today, I and my roommate will present our project for BMFP 3122 Manufacturing Sustainability. My group member is Kavisha, Malavika, and me, Muhammad Farhan. Our title is Life Cycle Assessment Nescafe Packaging. For introduction, in today's world, the need for sustainable packaging solution has become increasingly important. Our project aims to revolutionize Nescafe packaging by transitioning from traditional Nescafe bottle to Nescafe box packaging. This project focuses on the exploration of sustainable packaging solution for Nescafe, one of the leading global coffee brands, by transitioning from traditional bottle packaging to more environmentally friendly box packaging. We aim to assess the environmental impact of the transition from bottle packaging to box packaging for Nescafe. It further explores the challenge, opportunity, and implications associated with the implementation of DFE principles in the food industry.
Good day, everyone. My name is Kavisha Tyagaraja, and today I'm going to present about the literature review. Okay, when we see a global rise on waste material generation, which priorities. Good day, everyone. Good day, Doctor. My name is Kavisha Tyagaraja, and today I'm going to explain about the literature review. Okay, when we see global rise on waste material generation, which necessitate a system for handling which incorporate environmental sustainability issues. So from here, we're using a life cycle assessment, which is a tool that can assess achieve demand through accessing the environmental consequence of organization. This was based on Alice Lawrence 2014. Actually, we initially examined the geographical spread as well as discover all the published research were predominantly centering upon Europe and very less applicability to nations that are underdeveloped. So, regarding the scope of innovation coverage, they have mostly ignored the application of LCA to waste prevention operation along with associated waste kind other than domestic trash such as building or demolitions of waste. So, the substantial reliance for every SWMS upon local variables including waste type and energy framework precludes effective generality of LCA conclusion is demonstrated by the hierarchy of wastes. Okay, now we're gonna look from environmental aspect. Nescafe drink, which was made of plastic bottle, actually can lead to many problems towards environmental aspect. This polyethylene terephthalate actually not if we not correctly dispose or even recycle, it can add to environmental pollution from plastic. These are capable of ending through streams, sea, including natural environments, whenever discarded or incorrectly controlled, which can cause many damages to the species as well as to the ecosystem. Moreover, manufacturing plastic bottle necessitate the mining significant fossil fuel, plus resulting release of harmful greenhouse gases, which can pollute the environments and also the ecosystems. Plastic bottles, particularly when not reused, might win through landfill. Polymers degraded slowly, resulting in long-term trash build-up, including prospective dispersions of toxic compounds throughout the natural world. Okay, now we're gonna look from economical aspect. Okay. Nescafe drink in bottle packaging also impact in economical perspective, which can lead some issues. Though plastic bottle packing has financially benefit, but additionally comes with environmental consequences. For example, plastic bottle removal, production methods, and waste management all lead to environmental pollution that may lead to overtime financial repercussions, including resource depletions, races, regulation, alongside possible remediation costs. Besides that, Nescafe company might have to make investment in environmental friendly packaging techniques that can tackle environmental issue, but this might include research and development, even launching recycling campaigns. But although this expenditure could provide long-term advantages, but it also could raise manufacturing costs over the immediate future. Now we're going to look at social aspect. When we see through communities and public spaces of this Nescafe plastic bottle packaging, inappropriate disposal as well as infusion recycling, both plastic bottles may outcome on litter, which detracts from the attractiveness of community as well as public areas. This can lead to a lot of societal consequences, lowering the level of existence of people living in afflicted regions. And also, from environmental justice term, the pollution caused by plastic adversely affect marginalized pollutions, especially those who live nearby landfill or place of infusion waste management infrastructure. So that's all from me.
Good day, my name is Malvika Lechwanan from for BMFP. Now I am going to present the chapter 3 methodology, and here I had include the old Nescafe bottle packaging here. There are 3 parts in that packaging, which is bottle, the bottle lid and the cover of bottle. And for the bottle, they had used PET material and weight around 1.0 grams, which are using stretch blow molding process. And for the lid of the bottle, HDPE material had used, same as the bottle, 1.0 grams of weight, and the injection molding process had done. And for the plastic cover, polycarbonate plastic had used to print the details of the Nescafe, the ingredients and the design, everything had included in that cover plastic, which weighed 0.5 grams. Okay. The disadvantage of an old packaging are when it comes to recycling waste plastic, sorting is difficult and economically or uneconomically. Plastics burn easily and produce toxic gases when they burn. And plastics are made from the product of petroleum refining, and petroleum resources are limited. For the sustainability, The old packaging are not advisable to reuse again and again. That is more advisable on one time usable. And for recycle PET material, as known, it is 100% recyclable. And for repair, it's not advised to repair and reuse again, so it's not advised to, it's not sustainable too. And for remanufacture, it can be manufactured by melting down and mixing with any other material to do any other manufacturing process. But according to the reuse, repair, everything, it's not that sustainable. So we are proposing another idea of packaging this.
For Chapter 4, New Proposed Design. For our product description, the primary material chosen for the box packaging is responsible source paper derived from either responsible managed forest or recycled fibers. The outer layer of the Nescafe box packaging is made of a sturdy and durable paperboard material. Inside the box, Nescafe packaging may feature additional materials such as food-grade plastic or foil pouches to preserve the freshness and flavor of the powdered drink. For our component parts, we have two components, which is box, and its description is to protect the liquid inside the box. And the other part is inside the box, is to maintain the quality of the Nescafe. Next, this is our bills of material. For box part, our material is paperboard and cardboard, and the weight is 0.8 grams. The process for this part is cutting and packaging. Our next part is foil pouches. For foil pouches material is polypropylene PP and polyester PET, and the weight is 0.6 grams. For the process is horizontal form fill seal HFFS. For product structure, we have a new Nescafe box packaging, and the other two part is box and foil pouches. The sub part is for box is paperboard and cardboard, and the sub part for foil pouches is polyester and polypropylene. For next, design for environment (DFE). The goal of DFE is to minimize the negative environmental impacts of products and promote sustainability by integrating environmental consideration into the design process. DFE aims to minimize waste generation throughout the product life cycle. And for our material and process is polypropylene terephthalate PET on bottle. And the environmental aspect is manufacturing process. The environmental impact is greenhouse gas emissions. For the other material and process is polyethylene HDPE on lead. The environmental aspect for lead is resource consumption, and the environmental impact for lead is natural resource. The other material and process, which is polycarbonate plastic on cover, the environmental aspect for this cover is plastic waste, and the environmental impact is harmed ecosystem. For our discussion, Chapter 5, the all Nescafe bottle design feature a convenient mechanism for pouring and reselling. However, the new Nescafe drink box design includes a spot or straw attached to the box, allowing customers to inconveniently pour the drink without the need for additional cups. The product structure tree for the all Nescafe bottle design primarily consisted of the bottle, lid or cap, and a label. In contrast, the new Nescafe drink box design includes the drink box itself, a spot or straw, and protective sleeve or wrap. The all Nescafe bottle design rely on polyethylene terephthalate PET plastic for the bottle and lid, which has recyclability potential but still contribute to plastic waste if not properly managed. In contrast, the new Nescafe drink box design presents an opportunity to select more sustainable materials. The box could be made of paperboard, a renewable recyclable material. For Chapter 6, Conclusion. In terms of design, the new Nescafe drink box offers a more sustainable alternative to the old bottle design. It introduced a mechanism that eliminates the need for single-use cups, promoting waste reduction enhancing the overall sustainability of the product. In terms of product structure, the new drink box design demonstrates a reduction in the number of components compared to the old bottle design. The elimination of the bottle and its associated lids simplify the product structure and streamlines the packaging process. The new Nescafe drink box design, which is focused on renewable and recyclable materials, is feasible and aligns with Nescafe's sustainability objective. The use of paperboard for the box and the exploration of biodegradable or compostable material for the spout or straw showcase the company commitment to minimizing environmental aspects. That's all for today. Thank you.